Introducing a new idea, Ask Me Anything about Unity, an online course shaped entirely by the tutorial ideas of my students. Month by month, this course will grow as more short tutorials are published covering a wide range of requested content, from the new Unity job system to game data saving to databases to the building of quest systems. If you haven't already, be sure to visit the support website at ama.holistic3d.com and suggest new tutorials and vote for the ones that you'd like to see included later in the course. I'm making this video at the very beginning of the course, and so I can give you a brief introduction to what you'll find so far. First, I'll cover the new Unity entity component and job systems. In doing this, we will create a very cool planetary orbiting system with 50,000 planets, and you'll be challenged to generate a flock of sheep worthy of the best shepherd. Following this, we will take a look at a missile firing system with smart bullets that home in on a target, not only in a straight line, but with some nice smooth curves and even funkier squiggly trajectories. Then we're going to build a quest system together where we'll use graph theory and create a project that tracks the player's progress through a quest, displays the quest with UI elements, and shows the player where to go with a Skyrim-like compass, while all the time undergoing the zombie apocalypse. What comes next? Well, that's entirely up to you. Let me know what you want to see and how this course should shape up. The plan is to build a vibrant online student community around this course through the submission of ideas and sharing of knowledge. You can connect with the Holistic team and join student discussions in both Facebook and Discord. The course is now available for enrolling. Please check the links in the description below for coupon codes. Thanks for watching. Please support the development of more superb online learning content by subscribing, and as always, visit holistic3d.com to learn more about awesome games development books and tutorials.